Hi children, this is 5th class social lesson 5. Important monarchs of India or King of India. Here some pictures are there. These things used by the monarchs. Monarch means ruler or emperor. The first one, throne. The second one is crown. Third one is sword. Fourth one is palace. Our India has governed by different government. The monarch or ruler hold an important place in Indian history, and most of the rulers were very powerful. Many of them encouraged many art forms. Let us learn about Maurya dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya. He was the founder of the Maurya dynasty. In 321 BCE, he became the ruler of Magadha. He was guided by Kaudilya. Chandragupta Maurya built a small empire. He defeated Seleucus Nicator and expanded his kingdom to part of Afghanistan. During his period, the Mauryan Empire covered almost all Indian subcontinent. Finally, he built a large empire and inherited by his son Bindusara. The next ruler, Ashoka. He was one of the most powerful ruler in Indian history. Ashoka covered most of India and South Asia. The next, Kalinga War. Ashoka tried to take Kalinga to annex it to his empire, but Kalinga War changed him completely. In this war, so many places were destroyed and thousands of people killed. This was the turning point in his life. After that, he followed Buddhism. Next, Ashoka's other achievements. Ashoka was a wise and kind ruler. He took Dharmayatras and instructed people about Dharma. He appointed some people called Dharma Mahamatras to spread Dharma and people's welfare. He encouraged education and more irrigation facilities, planted trees along roads, and built rest house for travelers. To spread Buddhism, Ashoka sent missionaries to China, Tibet, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Burma, Egypt and Greece. He built many stupas such as Sanchi Stupa. Next, Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta II was the third ruler of the Gupta dynasty. He assumed the title of Vikramaditya. His period was influenced by art, literature, culture and science. It was the golden age of Guptas. Padaliputra was the capital of Chandragupta's empire. Chandragupta II expanded his kingdom to Gujarat and brought Bengal under his control. Chandragupta's second's other achievements. In his court, he appointed 9 scholars and writers. They were called Navaratnas or 9 great jewels. In his period, he started universities such as Nalanda, Taxila and Ujjain. Then he built famous iron pillar near Delhi. This pillar was built with advanced technology that time because it was not damaged now also. During the period of Chandragupta II, Fa Hien, the Chinese traveler, visited his palace and gave some advice. After that, India traded with China, Ceylon, and many countries in Europe. Next, the Vardhan dynasty. Harshavardhana. After Gupta dynasty, it was Emperor Harshavardhana. He set up the whole of northern India into a single empire. He ruled for a period of 40 years. In his period, Harshavardhana united two kingdoms of Taneshwar and Kanauj. Then he kept Kanauj was capital of his empire. Then other achievements. Harshavardhana supported all religions. Finally, he became a part of Buddhism and built many stupas and monasteries. He encouraged Nalanda University. He sent a mission to China for make relationship between China and India. Then Harshavardhana died in 647. After his death, his empire or Vardhan dynasty collapsed.